Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you kinds of passive voice. So we have three kinds. The first is stative, normal and agent passive, means performer. Now stem see the first stative passive. So stative passive means when third form of verb is used as an adjective. For example, I am confused. I am confused. So that means third form verb but is using as an adjective. Second example is I am interested in cricket. I am interested in cricket. So definitely the first third form of verb but it is used as an adjective. So when third form of verb is used as an adjective, definitely it's called stative passive. Then we have normal passive. For example, if we say that an apple is eaten, this is called normal passive. Then we have agent passive. So in the agent passive, for example, if we say that if this is the normal, okay, in the agent passive we show that who performed this act, means he say that an apple is eaten by me. So by me means showing the, here we are showing the performer, getting me? So in the agent passive we show performer, getting me? So what is static passive? Static passive we show when third form of verb is used in adjective. And normal passive, this is normal passive. And definitely we use agent passive, means what is agent passive? Definitely in the agent passive we show that who performed the action, definitely, getting me? So this was lecture on kinds of passive voice. I hope you've understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi aman, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.